So we are close to the initial balance. Let's see what TPO is doing. So this is a zone of order block setup, which was stopped, and this sell has been rewarded, but sorry about that. I'll take my first sell right there, put it right there, and target probability of targeting a target. Now we just take the profile from this zone. Yeah, so I target the POC. I think I should put above initial balance, and this doesn't look like a good risk to reward. All this have been squeezed, so I'm out of that trade. I'm out of that trade. Reason, this being squeezed. A closure on the upside, yeah, that would mean it's a terrible delta looking good. There's a traffic coming right here. We have, what do we have? Where? No, I think buyers coming in to support this zone. A closure of the initial balance, that would be good. Take a buy. Not on fire. Could we see a closure to the upside? This was a good risk to reward, trade. We've been bullish the entire day, so I don't see price coming back to these areas. We're above, we close above, clear indication that we might be heading to the upside, so I'll take a buy right here. What is being squeezed? Sellers coming into the market, but we are above initial balance. If we are close above initial balance, so that's a good I think I should bring I know what we can do. Can bring close above. That's a good indication of a push to the upside. So imbalance, still have to finish that. We need to come to this node. So 24.59, 24.598, 24.598, 24.598, right there. Another push, it will be good. Let's go. To break even. Need more. All these sellers have been, absorbed. But we have negative delta. But we still have 186. And still we have, I'll just put right there. I should remove the big trends so that we can see what's happening. Negative delta, positive I'll hide on this imbalance or on this below this all these buyers right here 5-4 and there are 5-4 around 5-4, 5-4-6, 5-4-6. So we have I can see delta divergence right here, so I think that's enough. Maybe we need a correction, but that's what I'm seeing. All these imbalances that is coming into the market, I have a feeling that, so I'll close on this low. That will be enough for me. Yeah, that's a good trade. Beautiful trade. Mind you, there are all this this is a zone for buyers, so I'm still looking. If we get another squeeze up, then it will be good, but I think there is a delta divergence right here, so I might just reduce so that I can get into, we have a positive price action and a negative delta. It's good to take a good quick sell, and I think we have more sellers on this zone more than buyers, and if we get one more squeeze up and we see buyers coming in, then up, yeah, we have imbalance upside. More buyers coming in, so I get, then I'll put right there, then target this. If it close below, then chop buyers. So right where we wanted it to come, then we should be out of that trade. Can we put below that? Yeah, I think we are about to see a sell-off back to the initial balance. So what I'll do, we need to close below. Closing below is a proper way to get into the quick because see, sellers trapped by these buyers increase their positions, and now we are still above. Then we have a okay. I will take this divergence. The only problem is protecting yourself. I'll protect myself on this 600. I think I push to the upside. Okay, what is TPU saying? So we still have this 605. Time to sell. Stop loss right here, and I think I just go with stop loss so that I can targeting that. I think we are not out, not yet. Oh, close. Nice scalp. So right here, delta. So we need to close below. Yeah. So trap buyers right here. If we close, then I'll need to take a limit here. Stop loss above. Take profit. Area in. In on that. So I should be taking all this out. Only all this accumulation on this high volume node. As the reason as to why is high volume node, because we're on the other side of the price. So the reason as to why I took this trade is because there were buyers coming into the market, right? But mind you, there was no volume. That's number one. Second, okay, this is where I need to get out. So I just have to protect myself. on that imbalance right there. Let's go. We're out. I think that's done. I'm okay with that. While how these buyers have come to support that, and it's so clean. That is so so clean. Yeah, done. Initial balance, breakout from the initial balance. I remember when price New York open, we saw that dump to the downside. I was looking at this order block right here, push to the upside. Then again, TPO was clean where we are heading, and funny enough, we are almost closing that. But today we have had an expansion to the upside, and this order block being respected. Nice trade taken. So if we check the initial balance today, we have had excuse me, we have had a very big why can't I get it right? We still have that downside movement, but I think that's enough for today. So we take this. I'll just do like this. I think this is easier. I'll take from here to the downside so that we can get that. Alright, cool. So if this doesn't hold, we could see this price range being revisited, and as well as yeah. I don't know why. I think I should put so balance. Yes. It took so long. That's much better. So we see this another order block right here to the upside, but we have had a very big expansion day. I think more sellers coming, more buyers coming in. I think they'll be absorbed. Maybe the 600 we can see. Can try and get maybe a quick trade from here. So accumulation from the delta side of point of view, the same as, and we have seen this taking all that liquidity coming back in. I think we have a big seller right here, but yeah, this will be a very interesting day, how it closes. Let's see, 11 a.m. I think that's done.